Hello guys, so today we're gonna vlog today. So I'm just gonna lay down with my baby. My baby is here. I just can't see because it's bright.
Isa sa mga uri ng transportasyon sa maliliit na kalye. Safe ride po para sa mga pumapasadang tricycle drivers.
So there's me princess. Black hair. But me because I didn't black. But I have allergies in my eye. I have a problem in the eye. So I'm just gonna sleep. I'm gonna sleep. Yeah, with my baby because she's sleeping right now today. But she's just small. My mommy's lay down. I just get showered. And then mommy didn't shower. She showered. Yeah, but this is wet. It's cold. So guys, good night. See you later in the morning. In the afternoon. See you guys later. But before we close the video, I'm gonna give you some shout outs. I'll get my phone. It's right here. Shout out. Shout out to Missy Motor, Psycho Fikiane 32162. Shout out to you, and I'll give you some. That's the end of the video, and we give you some giveaway in Easter day. Thank you guys so for watching. Bye guys. Remember to remember to like and press the bell and subscribe and ring the bell. Bye.